Amafen's way to fame to tell us all about the journey in football. Gents, good morning and welcome.
Hello, my sister Kunjani.
Siyaphila njani?
Sharp.
Now.
Good morning. This is Siphuwe Mbatha, and I'm with my younger brother Thabo Mbatha. We are the founders of a local football fan channel called Amafen's TV. The number one football fan channel.
Who is the number one? Because I checked it and I saw and you grilling people there. You don't play games there.
Sure.
Uzo Yakona is like, hey, Baba.
On point.
Into the work that you do, sipeni kancane background yasekhaya nikhulele phi niphuma phi ningene kanjani ku le entertainment industry yebhola.
Yeah, so on my side, I grew up doing adverts. At the tender age.
Yeah,
and
commercials and TV.
Yeah, TV commercials. So ngengangena ku industry vele at the age of 13. And then afterwards, after matric, I went to AFDA to study film and television.
Nice. Okay.
And then I graduated 2014. And then 2016, that's when I started my film production company, Favor Media. Whereby I was doing feature. So I majored in producing and I did writing and directing.
Nice. Okay.
And I started my production company 2016, and I would do movies and then license them to Mzansi Magic, or they would commission me, or I would get funding. But when I started the company, it was me shooting with my own funds, then editing, doing post, and then selling the movie. And then the company grew like that, and then I would premiere the movies at the Bioscope Cinema.
Okay.
So since 2016, on my side, I've written, directed, and produced about 20 feature films. And then, since 2016, in about 8 years. And then afterwards, since I was in the film space and I had invested in the company, because we now have an office in Auckland Park, we then ventured into the sports sector. And that's how Amafen's TV was born.
Yo, hey, you've said a lot. Angazi noma uThabo has something to say. Thibo?
Ukhohlwe ukuthi sikhulele eGlen. Yeah. Sure, my sister. Yeah, so we just two brothers. Sikhulela la eGlen. Originally, like, we spent some time in Dofaya, especially in Dofaya kancane, but it's eGlen since it's bancane. Just normal background. Both of our parents are a teacher, educator, yeah. But now, sinoma ulady nje kuphela la. Time let's build a shia, sure.
It's like kuphela.
It's like why?
That's it.
Sure.
The concept Amafen's way.
Amafen's way to so ubhuti wami ska acho ukuthi une production company. So I was vlogging him the one time at a stadium. And then I remember I came here corner big lali cheese nesikhukhuni. So it just so happened ukuthi kube upset. And then as ngilonga imvloga nakanje amachita nawo mawubona icamera afuna ukukhuluma. We understand afuna ukukhuluma bafuna ufakazela ama team. We understand bafuna ukukhala. So kusuka kanjalo yabona bafethu nibone kanjani asikisi. Bafethu nibone kanjani kanjalo sicedele li vlog, and then masingene emotweni ayintwana man awona khane go revaya ko stadium re lo ba recorder. Yabona, and then that's how it was born.
That is
how long has it been now?
It's been 1 year, ne? Because we started last year, Feb.
And following viewership, how is it going?
It's really grown. It's really grown. I think also coming from a film background and understanding technical things, like shooting and how to do like a podcast and having proper things, to start this thing. I think it also helped because Masienza were bringing proper, equipment and also the quality. So we started last year, and then on YouTube now we are almost at 50K subscribers. I think 48.5 lab.
Nice.
And then on Facebook it's over 100K followers. I think over 130, and then on TikTok over 250K followers. So start us trend.
I want to speak about Amazon because omunye uhlala semva kwecamera, omunye aphethe mic, omunye uyakhuluma. Let's talk about your
Who does
roles.
what?
Yeah. So mina I present the show. So
Have you heard how loud Thabo is?
Him loyo muntu. Uyangibhayizisa kodwa manje sosikhipe radio. Yeah, mina ngiyapresent ishow das and then obviously ngivele ngene ngesidrive and then uyokusuya irecorder and then vela aqala ukuchopha sase busy
Yeah, no, that's my nickname.
Yeah.
Siphiwe yolambatha so yo siyabo yeah. Mina I'm behind the scenes so isikhathi esiningi I'm the one shooting and doing the post like editing, uploading the videos. Phela ispanisate to uyabona so yeah and ispanisate to like the turnaround time it's crucial yabona because yeah so we shoot now, we edit now, so we are always, the office is on the road.
And it's safe for you, I'll tell you Pam.
Go for me now.
When it's always been your path, your motivating film and video, from commercials into getting into production. Thabo, what was your plan?
Mina.
What was your plan? Yeah, was it always like it's a very opportunity now? I want to know
Sure. So again, mina I was rewriting metric yami just before we started.
Nice. Okay.
And then being apply UJ. But then at that time ngakhabathwa space. Bengifunda like some marketing.
You also wanted to sort
Yeah. Izintonyana ezinjalo, you understand? I applied for marketing, also sports management, I think. But then ngabulawa space. So now uyabona. So vele within that year I was free. Bengikhona ukuthi sivaye so you2. Gap year yami makana angiyikhethanga.
I know, but it's funny. I've seen what gap year does to the youngsters.
Yeah.
But you, it worked for you.
Izamile ne. Sure. Yeah, my sister.
So what is the plan? Any show improvements as Ama fans win? What can we look forward to in the next season?
Yeah, you're excited. Quite like the man with the plan.
No, so currently we are like relaxing, and because when August starts, it's going to be very hectic until the next year. But what we're going to be doing now, we're going to be doing before the season starts, just videos about the upcoming season. Like for example,
prepping us now.
Yeah, because
my friends waiting.
You know, even now, Chiefs has signed Ulon, the new coach Nabi. So we'll be discussing that with like a Chiefs fan.
Thanks to you.
So
inside info Nabi.
Nakhona ngipushe nale channel, isipushe nale channel leyo khala ngayo impama, ibhekelela TV leyo ngisestradini ngisaklina. It's another channel.
It's a dating channel. So it's almost at 30K subscribers.
That's good. So ushaka kanjani ngempama ubuzana?
Mani yazi indaba zokungena indaba zabantu.
No, I haven't.
Ezomjolo. Bengisabheka iCheria. Uyabona sengiyibuza ukuthi why chitela uma isister. Uyabona? So ngisadlensa imedia yo ngizwe like ningi hot man. Bullet.
With the work that you do, obviously, Ama Games, I am mover from province to province. There's a lot of traveling. You know, there's so much that needs to be done. And again, as you say, Wuti, you're working on real time. You know, almost Wuti, whatever nishuta manje, you must go into post manje, edit, and make sure that you take it out. You know, to the masses. What are your challenges?
The main challenges, especially when we started this, it was mainly the traveling, because till now we cover all games. So since all games, so mangabe kune game at Durban, we are there. Mangabe kune game at Cape Town, mangabe kune game in Mbombela, Polokwane. So yabona masicala, that was the main challenge mesinayo. But since mengenza ama movie, and I had money, I would take that money and then invest it on the traveling. And then as it grew, then now companies want to work with us. For example, recently, Nedbank Cup partnered with us for the campaign. So they had a campaign.
So one fund that.
It was more like a partnership of them partnering with the channel for the campaign in Nedbank Cup.
Right.
And that was able to help us to cover more games, like in Nedbank Cup, also DStv Premiership
so any
matches.
game, regardless what in cooling, or any match.
Any match, especially the big three. Mangabe it's the big three: Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns.
Yeah,
Either like let's say in Nelspruit or in Mbombela or in. We have to travel for the big teams, for the big three.
Yeah.
And then mangabe smaller teams are playing within the province. Then we do go to those games.
Sure.
But we cater Gakulu for all fans. It's not for one team. It's not for Chiefs or Pirates or
all
Sundowns.
teams. I've seen your channel.
All teams, yeah.
On YouTube, which
Nice.
you cover almost every.
Yeah, so now with the working with Nedbank, that helped us to cover ama games, and also it even gave an opportunity to fans as well, because we had to select Super Fan I6, which were also paid by Nedbank to be part of the campaign. So fans. Yes, pretty much. So Mangabe, we also going with them to the studio, Nedbank Parktown, whereby we would shoot content there for our channel, because we have equipment. So we're going there shooting our own podcast for our fans on TV.
That is it's
Yeah.
But besides Okoli Mpama,
Yeah, but my sister.
the money in this business, like, are you able to sustain yourself?
Yeah, so I can't say there's a lot of money or into enjalo, because Tina, whatever that we make, we reinvest back. We are one cause of we are independent, like it's out of pocket, you understand.
Yeah.
But Tina siyakhona ukuphila push ispani, and then sibe right, yabo. It's not good to like I'm all lady, yabona balance nyana. Nami ngikhiphe icherry yami.
Oh, now forget it.
Mekdinyana. Okay, sorry. I know angibathathela amachita, angibathatheli. I know day one before everything. Bozongaya sinisicima na.
Wena siphile. Abaklapha uThabo wena bowenzani? Bushu.
Bekathatha icontent.
South African. Bayatoda wena uthini content. Them dying.
Ngicabanga ukuthi isikhamera manje ngitimo content siyayiluza mos. Hey, manje ngitimo ngiyamlwela le bouncer yethu na. Bouncer khona iskral iphelile so yabona so le bouncer le.
Yabona yeah kahle akusi bouncer.
So this guy, they are slapping you silly. He's just filming.
This guy is all about content. Angibonanga ne try, angibonanga ne camera iyehlanyana, angiboni camera ilandela mina.
We're not condoning violence at all.
Yeah.
How do you control such? Because obviously, kunabantu abanenhliziyo ezincane.
Sure.
Nama camera ngalimala guys.
Yeah.
How do you control it? Should it happen in the near future?
Yeah. No, makushubile. We have to like stop filming and we run away vele yabona. But the thing is now the thing is nepolikatenya manje eskrala yabona. And the thing is also what people don't see, you find that kunomuntu maybe kunomuntu also sambana.
I spy.
Isithola ne-email umuntu aso kanjalo athi hey guys mina have won i-bodybuilding what hayi lo muntu lo makavaye lo phelile lo.
Mina i-approach yami uzolungisa uzosilungise mfethu
but noma ngabe isigora sikhona seyingenile club by the time sifika isigora
uyabona
you unaware ukuthi content
sesingidlile.
You need someone that is going to shield you. Before Impamo Kenya ayibona content bekumnandi sitekile, it's all great.
Sure.
But there's more to be lost.
Because abanye bayazana khona bangaluma ama camera awunayo.
Even when I'm shooting, I try not to come close as well. Yeah, but
Yeah.
and then I'm zooming.
Or even crime. We've seen people stealing cameras.
Yeah,
Say
but-
SABC. Basa Sila Dube.
Yeah. But the thing is, Ngati as well, Masia somewhere, ne, we don't even spend time. Singena manje sivai.
Oh, okay.
So it's like it's unexpected. So it's not like manje uzospelela ukuthi set up manje for 2 hours. No. Fika manje within that 15 minutes we are done.
Sure.
Nice.
Yeah. All the
Okay.
best. in Tanzania.
So let's talk about I'm following you. And obviously, as you did say, with content is a kubega.
Yeah.
You are now going to focus on the preseason and the signings and who's going where and all of those things that are happening. But what do we say to your fans that will miss the live stadium content? You know, as we wrap up, Sintolapi, for those that would like to see the work that you do.
Yeah, people can follow us on our social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Amafans with TV.
Yeah.
You know, and also, you know, Begelela TV as well on YouTube for our other channel. But really, Tina, what makes us happy, Kakulu, is seeing the opportunities the channel has brought to a lot of fans.
Nice.
When you see some of the fans that we are interviewing, now they are known by their coaches. Sebaziwa ngama player, team yabaz, you know, it really makes us happy. Good day, man. Yazini, something you started utuyarala, but now it's
Now,
really
Mama Joy in fact to Sebahamba the world.
Hey.
Yeah, well,
Being a fan.
trooping a fan, you know.
It's not
Actually,
it's not me, it's the fans that say
Fans wait.
Mama J.
You know, but it makes us happy. You must one of the opportunities the channel has brought. Today, like people are super famous like this manje through in the online, and you get to see with the online. But these guys are so going to hamba manje, magamba, bayamkhomba. Hey, banbani. Hey, you know, so these guys are
How's the
big.
celebrity status going for you?
so yeah, now
How are the girls coming?
How's the woman feeling?
Mina, I think cause in Survivor Nakona, I don't know like how the girls are feeling and cause I'm social media very.
Oh,
So I've been very umuntu
you
like
avoid
very.
them. I love that response.
Sure.
Taking a comment, my man. Eating more. Wish you all the best. What you've started, I mean, when us people you started, it was the only way of trying to be famous.
Yeah.
Now we've got technology like this, you can push even further. Guys, keep on keeping on.
love it when a plan comes together. I'm sure
Yeah.
Ma's so proud of you guys.
Mm.
Well done, you know, and keep pushing on. The next time you come here, we must be talking in the range of millions, nah? In terms of followers.
Exactly.
Yeah, with my sister.
Yeah.
And we
money.
make the money.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah, but
money.
you've got more fans than brands want to align.
Yeah, and,
Yeah.
and that's what we are seeing very good. The more we grow, the more brands want to partner, and also it brings up opportunities to the fans as well. Because Mabeza, they want to work with us. They will say, "Hey, it's Kala Nefenia, so it's pan and I."
Even go to teams Basa train and Genio Ploma now.
Yeah, well,
You know, that would be nice as well.
Yeah.
Season stuff, guys. Give us content. We want to see who's
Funny
where,
content.
who's doing what. Sibona ulotsha lena lapha phakathi kwamantombazane.
Sure, good money. Sure. Yeah, ngicela ukushaya shout out to my mom Mpho Patricia Mbatha.
Yes.
Mbiza negama.
Yebo.
Kaba.
No, ngiyamqalisa. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, sure. So shout out to her. No, but ngathi akamamelanga cause angazi if ufuna igama lakhe ngilikhiphe nje kanjalo. Hayi la kamama le. Ngizayisanda says don't do it, boy. Yeah. Okay,
so much.
Alright,
sharp.
Take it to music. This is Lionel Richie. What is Sailor? Good morning.